In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the lovely Lily Pad stamp set, dies, and designer series paper. So here are the stamp sets that I used. They're all part of the Sale-A-Bration offering that you can get for free when you purchase $50. So if you purchase $150, you can get all these free. This stamp set, die, and this stamp set. So I'm going to use on this one the Happy Birthday. This is a reversible stamp set, so I used the same stamp to stamp the outline, and then I flipped it over and used the same stamp to color in the stamp. So you can see here, this is the flat side, so you'd stamp that like this to color in the stamp, and then you can flip it over and then stamp the outline, and then you get this. So here are the dies. I used this die right here and this die right here for the little leaves. This is the lovely Impressions Designer Series paper. On one side you have a Monet-like flower design, and then on the other side you have this pretty brushed canvas design. I just think it's super pretty. So I'm going to adhere this down. It's a little bit sad to cover up the pretty paper, but it's okay. So place this in the middle, and then I've already attached the leaves to the flowers. So how I did that is I put a little bit of adhesive on the bottom, and then I attached the flower like so, hiding that little stem in the middle. So now I'm going to put dimensionals on all of these. So I'll put some regular dimensionals on this one, and then some mini dimensionals on these little guys, because I want to be able to tuck them on top of the Happy Birthday, so I need a little bit of space underneath. So now I will add the Happy Birthday. And I will add the flowers, maybe one like this, and one like this, and then one at the bottom. And then the last thing that I want to do is to add some ribbon. On this card, I wrapped it around the card, but in order to save ribbon, I think I'm just going to tie a bow and add that to the card, because I don't think I can really see enough of the ribbon wrapping around to make a big difference. So we'll just trim that there, and then I will attach it with glue dots. So I will peel to reveal one glue dot at a time, and then use that one. So we'll just put it right there. And there we have our card. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can check out all my videos. And to order the products that you have seen in this video today, go to my website, eStampin.com, and click on Shop Now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.